Simulating your toolpaths is a crucial step when programming a CNC machine. This can help prove out your machining process and identify costly collisions before you cut a single chip. But with toolpath simulation, often we experience computing limitations. Simulation takes time, and with complex parts and high-tolerance toolpaths, we often have to rely on our computer's CPU to handle the bulk of the calculations. With Mastercam 2026.R2, we now have the ability to utilize our video card's graphic processing unit, or GPU, to manage the calculations. This means we can offload our graphics rendering from the main CPU to our video card's GPU. Let's take a look. Unlike your computer's CPU, which has a few powerful cores, GPUs have thousands of smaller cores. This allows them to process massive amounts of data in parallel, speeding up complex calculations. In Mastercam, we enable GPU simulation within the configuration settings. That's all you have to do, and now we can verify the toolpaths as usual. And here, we have a side-by-side comparison. The times you are seeing are the actual run times, but we have sped up the footage for the sake of this video. We have the same part, verified both with GPU simulation turned on and off. On the left, we have GPU simulation enabled, and on the right, GPU simulation is disabled. Now, it's important to note that either pressing the skip or fast forward buttons will utilize the GPU, if enabled, and it will display your simulation results much faster. But if you just press play in the Mastercam simulator, you'll be using your CPU, and this is regardless of your settings. And as our side-by-side video comparison finishes, we see substantial performance improvements when we utilize the GPU. Now, there are some requirements that must be met in order to utilize your GPU. We recommend a medium to high-end graphics card with an updated graphics driver and with at least 4 GB of VRAM on board. If you have a suitable graphics card, I encourage you to explore this new functionality. It's truly a game changer when simulating toolpaths.